guys, welcome back to Nitaka's Castle. It's my part 2 of GK. So guys, I got GK and I got one shop. So I buy this LOL fine bag that comes with 6 surprises. So let's start unboxing it. I want to close my eyes and I will dump it all. Oh guys, look, it just comes with mini flying bags. Look, it comes with mini flying bags. So guys, first I will open the biggest one. Come on, open. Okay, here is the opening. We got the golden and turquoise blue bracelet. Okay. Next one is this one. I think I'm taking because it's a heart kind of. Let's open it. What is it? Silver kind of a thingy. What's it? Oh, we got these two as it's their bracelet. Wow, it's so shimmery card. I will keep it right over in the side. And now, do we open this or these two charms? So guys, let's open first start with, I think this. So end up looking nice. Don't pop out. Yes. See, what do we get next? Close my eyes. It's something like a charm. We got a bottle charm. Look, it's like this. It's so teensy tiny. Oh my god. So teensy tiny charm. You're wondering what is this? This is actually I'm sitting in the car. And guys, now we open 3 flying bags. We are left with 3. So let's start with this one. Wait, this is another charm. We got a cat charm. Look, this girl is a cat. Wrist. But let's see what's next. Now we have left with 2. So guys, let's open this one first because this is really like a heavy one. Let's see which one we get. It's really in the corner, so it will not come. We got another cat charm. So guys, look. This is the matching piece. Look. Let me show you. These 2 that I got the card in my second fine bag, I guess. This is their ones. Look, this is her. And this is her. This girl. Cool. Now guys, this is the last fine bag and I don't know if it's another charm or not. Because the card shows 2 only girls and I don't know if they come with one more surprising one. Guys, do you feel something bad about it? Because every fine bag had not the same girl as I think I got the mermaid. The surprise share. And on all 5 bags it's written, try me, wear me, share me. Wait, no, that's not the pro. It's just Goo Goo bottle as such. It's just a bottle. So guys, now let's decorate a bracelet with these charms. That's why we got 2 bottles because we have 2 babies. These 2. Super nice. I love it. Now let's put the charm. Oh my god, the charm should not be loose. So put it fast. The bracelet is little small to me, but let's go with it. Come on, open this charm. Okay, we got it. Look, our charm bracelet. And let's put her bottle. So guys, I'm just putting it. It's kind of tight, but we have to try for. I will put like this it, and then put this bottle, baby bottle. Bam. So we got our 2 charms. First 2 charms. Super good. Let's see the doll face. Beauties. Let's see what it looks in my. Woo, bracelet. It's kind of nice bracelet, but it's like kind of tight to me, but it is nice, not so bad. So guys, now let's put these 2 charms. I love these 2 charms. Go. Look, it's bottle written something. Ballet. I think she's a ballet girl. Let's see in this card. Wait guys, it comes with I think 2 cards. Yes. Did it come with just 1 or 2? No, just 1. So it's troublemaker baby cat name. Okay, names are written there. So the orange cat's name is baby cat, and this blue cat name is troublemaker. Oh my gosh, she's a troublemaker. That means that's pretty cool if she's a troublemaker. So let's put these 2 charms. Look, it's written ballet goo. Okay, let me try it. Ballet goo. You can't see it because I'm in the sun. Let's put it. So guys, bye. This will be taking a lot of time. So bye guys. Guys, wait. Comes with a collector's guide. Let's see the collector's guide. Let's see which one we come with a lot of. So which one do we get? So guys, we got this one. Look. This one. Okay, you can't see this one. We got this one, and it's like 10 to collect. There's so much. Okay, bye guys.